£135 for a Rubik's Cube full of Benefit makeup. This is the Benefit Glam Cube Christmas Advent Calendar. Inside here we have 24 items, some minis, some fun size and a few full size items. We're going to unwrap the lot and break it down item by item and see, is it worth the cost? Let's unwrap. Right, first things first. What do you think of this packaging? We've got this really cute retro Rubik's Cube inspired design, which I think is really nice, and it even spins. Although obviously you can't actually do the puzzle cube. And each of the layers is a drawer. And this is really cool because I think you can actually keep this cube and use it as a drawer set for makeup or whatever you like after Christmas is finished. The boxes are all in here, they're going to come out, but I think you're left with a nice handy set of drawers, which is good because with so many of these, all the boxing goes in the bin at the end, and that can be a bit of a pain to get rid of. So here we have this really cool design, retro design. We have a sort of reusable box, and then we have the drawers with all the items in. So let me unbox everything, get it unwrapped and show you item by item what we've got in here. Let's take a quick look inside the drawers. This is the one we are going to start with because it has box number 1. We also have a second drawer here and we have our third drawer here. So staying with the really colourful Rubik's Cube theme, I think the packaging on this is really, really fun. So starting with box number 1, everything is packaged in its own little box. So if you want to give any one of these away as a gift, you could just wrap it up in here, maybe stick a sticker or something over the number to conceal that. But each one is in its own little box and is branded with Benefit. So let's find out what's inside. Inside box number 1, we have Fan Fest mascara in what must be the fun size. Box number 2. Box number 2 is from the POREfessional range, and that is Get Unblocked, which is a cleansing oil. Box number 3. We have the classic Benetint. Box number 4 doesn't make a sound. Box number 4 has some additional wrapping, so let's see what's inside. We have our first Benefit powder in the shade Willa, and that is a mini size. Box number 5. Big box for a small item. We have Fluff Up Brow Wax. And I was badly in need of a new one of these, so I'm excited to see this in here. Box number 6. Inside box number 6, we have the Pore Primer. Box number 7 is Big But Silent. So in box number 7, we just have an under eye mask. Box number 8. In box number 8, we have Smooth Sip, which appears to be a moisturiser for blocked pores. Box number 9. Box number 9 is something called Jewellery. And I'll be honest, I don't know what this is. It says light medium shade, and it says apply all over face, as on bare skin or over makeup. I'm not even sure what that is. Box number 10. So in box number 10, we have Gimme Brow Plus. Box number 11. In box number 11, we have the POREfessional Super Setter. Looks like a setting spray. Box number 12. In box number 12, we seem to have a full-size item that's called 24-Hour Brow Setter. Box number 13. And lucky box number 13 gives us Roller Lash Mascara. Box number 14. The one that's packaged up. I'm guessing this is going to be another powder. And indeed, there it is. We've got Shelley. Box number 15. We have another POREfessional product, this time a clay mask called Deep Retreat. Woo, look at that. Box number 16, a big one. Box number 16, we have this, which I don't quite know what this is. I guess these are reusable makeup wipes, makeup removal wipes. Useful. Box 17. In box 17, we have They Are Real mascara. Box 18. Probably another powder. We have Wrapping Again. And we have Old Faithful Dandelion. This is one that I use every now and again. We have 19. Ah, finally, a full-size mascara. One of my favourites, we've got BADgal Bang. Box 20. Another item from the POREfessional range, we have a cleanser called Good Cleanup. 21. Another powder, methinks. Which one's in here, do you think? Give it a guess. This is a new one to me, Krista. $22. Another new one to me, BADgal Bounce Mascara, not one I've seen before. $23. Do we have yet another powder? Aha, something different. We have the Hoola Bronzer, a classic from Benefit. And last but not least, box 24. We have some wrapping again. Oh, we have a scrunchie. Rather random thing to find in box 24, but whatever, we go with it. All right, let's just recap on everything that we've got in this box. So from the POREfessional range, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items that are a kind of an okay size for a tryout. I think these look okay. These are 19 mil, it says in these bottles. And then let's have a look, what have we got in here? Oh, that's the clay. So this tiny one here is a clay mask. That's a bit small for a clay mask, isn't it? I can't see that you're going to get more than one use out of that, to be honest. This one is a moisturizer. And okay, it's sealed, so we can't quite see. Let's take a look. Okay, and so we've got, you know, an okay amount of moisturizer in there. But I don't know about you, that would last me maybe, what, a week, something like that. So it's not an overly generous amount. We've got the Pore Primer. I think that would last a while. And the Super Setter, that's a spray. So that's probably going to last a few goes as well. So that's from the POREfessional range. And then here from the face powder, which is kind of blush and bronzer range, and also the Benetint classic lip and cheek. We've got, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, which are, they're an okay size. The minis, they're not as large as the full size, but actually these powders last quite a long time. So I think that's okay with the powders. And that's a fairly generous bottle of Benetint there. So I think you're going to get some good usage out of these sized items. I think we've done pretty okay with mascaras. We have 5 mascaras here, 4 kind of fun size ones and 1 full size. I guess that's okay to give you a kind of taster of all of the different types that they have to see which one suits you best. I don't know how long these mini ones last. I've had them before and they don't seem to last very long. So I appreciate that there is at least 1 full-sized one in there. And then if you're into your brows, we have got 3 brow products here. I think they are all usable. We've got 1 full size and 2 kind of fun size or minis. I think that's not bad for brows. I think that's a kind of a good lineup for brow products. What do you think? And then to finish us up, we have some kind of random assortment of products here. I still have no idea what this is. I need to go and look it up online to find out. We have a single under eye mask, it seems. We've got a scrunchie. What? Why? Why? Why a scrunchie? This product I do not understand. And then we have got some reusable, presumably washable makeup wipes. So that's kind of a cool nod to the environment, I think. So there we have all 24 items from Benefit's Glam Cube, this year's advent calendar. So what do you think of the value? If we work out each item price, each item works out at about £5.60. So I don't know about you, but I don't know. So apparently the full-size items go for on average £20 and the minis or the fun sizes go for on average £10. So we do have each item at less than that, £5.60. But there's a few items that I find a bit strange. That we've got 1 eye mask here, we've got 1 scrunchie, I've got a product here that I've got no idea what it is. I've got lots of mini mascaras that I'm not sure how long they are going to last. And items like this one, the purple mask. I mean, I don't think I'm going to get more than 1 use out of that. So £5 for a single use of clay mask? I'm not sure. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you think this is good value or not. I'm kind of on the fence about it, to be honest. I love Benefit. I have loved Benefit makeup for a very, very long time, but I'm just not sure that this was worth the money. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you supporting my channel, and if you hit that subscribe button you will see my next video when it comes out very soon. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.